Hey guys, this is Abhishek and you're watching my channel One Day Batting. Today I'm going to explain you a trick to multiply any two-digit numbers. If you follow this trick, you will get answer within 4 seconds. And I suggest you to follow this method in competitive examination. So let's start the video. I'm considering two-digit numbers, say 32 multiplied with 61. To do this, we have to multiply the ones positions of two numbers. That is this 1 and 2. 1 2s are 2, right? So you have to multiply in this way. And then you have to multiply ones position of second number and tens position of first number. That is in this way. And you have to multiply tens position of second number and ones position of first number. That is in this way. 1 3s are 3 and 6 2s are 12, right? Total 15. You have to write 5 over here. And final step is to multiply tens position of two numbers. That is 6 3s are 18, right? 18 plus 1, 19. So this is our final answer. If you have any doubts, please check with your calculator. And now I am taking another example to solve. Say 78 into 22. So first we have to multiply these two numbers, right? That is 2 8s are 16, right? 6. So 2 7s are 14 and 2 8s are 16, right? So total 30. Here we have 1 also, so total 31. So 1 has to be written over there, here. And 2 7s are 14, here 3, so total 17, right? So this is the answer. In this way you can calculate any two-digit number within 4 seconds. Yeah, that's all guys. If you like my explanation, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and finally tap on bell icon to get all notifications. Once again, thank you so much guys.